Hello everyone, this is Siddhant Ray here. In today's video, I shall touch upon a very basic and common as also painful technical issue faced by one and all. In today's technology-driven world, we all have a Gmail account. For most of us, the Gmail account is the primary email account where we receive all critical, official and personal emails. Every Google account linked to a Gmail ID has a storage capacity of 15 GB, which comes free with the Gmail ID. This includes storage on all Google-based platforms for that email ID, including Gmail and Google Drive. For heavy users, 15 GB is a very limited space. The moment your Google account storage crosses 15 GB, you immediately receive a notification email asking you to either free up storage or buy extra storage space for a monthly charge. Most often, users panic here and start deleting old emails from the Gmail account so as to free up some storage space. This is absolutely unnecessary. What if I told you that you can have unlimited storage space in your Gmail account without paying a penny? Sounds too good to be true, right? But yes, this is indeed true. Let me explain to you how you can retain all the emails in your Gmail account even when you have crossed the 15 GB limit. This method is very simple. Let us take an example. My email ID is siddhantray07@gmail.com. Let us assume I have 10,000 plus emails in this Gmail account of mine, and hence I have surpassed the free storage limit of 15 GB. So I now get a notification from Gmail to free up space on my Gmail account, or alternatively purchase extra cloud space for a monthly fee. If I choose to do none of the above, I shall stop receiving emails on my Gmail account. So this is what I do to get another 15 GB storage space into my Gmail account absolutely free of cost without losing a single email from my email account. I first open another Gmail account and the name is siddhantray07b1@gmail.com. Here, the B1 stands for backup one. Next step, I go to my original Gmail account which has crossed the 15 GB storage limit. I then click on settings. Within settings, I click on forwarding and pop/IMAP. Here under pop download, I click on enable pop for all email, then click save changes. This critical change in the setting now helps me to export emails from this Gmail ID to the new backup Gmail ID I have created for my old emails. Now I log out of my existing Gmail account and log in into the backup Gmail account I have just created. Here I click on settings. Within settings, I first click on accounts and import. Then within that, I click on import mail and contacts. Now in the box, I enter the email ID from which I want to import the emails. I then just follow the instructions. Now Gmail Shuttle Cloud Migration shall seek my permission to copy emails from Siddhantray07 to Siddhantray07b1. I just have to click on allow. Lo and behold, the emails have started getting replicated onto my backup Gmail ID. For Gmail IDs which have already breached or are close to breaching the 15 GB limit, this replication process could take approximately 12 to 24 hours in total. So once you have allowed for the migration, just close the window and chill. Come back next day and log in to your backup Gmail account. Now you shall see a file in your backup account. It has the same name as your original Gmail account from where you replicated emails into this new backup Gmail account. Click on the file and you can now see all your emails here. You can double check whether the replication was successful or not by going into the settings of your backup Gmail account and clicking on accounts and import. Here under import mails and contacts, you shall see the name of the Gmail ID from where you have imported the emails, and below it you will see imported successfully. If you see importing over here, this means that the replication of emails is still under process and you need to give it some more time. Now that all the emails from your operational Gmail account till that date have been successfully replicated into your backup Gmail account, you are free to delete all the old emails up to a particular date from your operational Gmail account. This frees up space and you no longer see the 15 GB warning on your Gmail account. Whenever I am in need of an old email, I can just go to the backup Gmail ID to pull out the required email and forward it to my operational Gmail account. For searching and pulling out old emails in the backup Gmail ID, the best course of action is to go to the all emails folder and then search for the required email in the search bar. In this manner, I can create multiple backup Gmail accounts for my operational Gmail account. Each backup Gmail account offers me 15 GB free storage space. It may be a good practice to do this once in 3 to 4 years or when one receives the 15 GB notification on one's Gmail account. In this manner, one can enjoy virtually unlimited storage on one's operational Gmail account without spending a penny. So if you have recently received the 15 GB storage space notification for your Gmail ID, worry not. Just create the backup Gmail ID and replicate your old emails into it as per my instructions above. You can then delete the backed up emails from your operational Gmail account and free up the required storage space. Interesting and useful this is, isn't it? By this method, you can use your operational Gmail account for decades together without deleting a single email or paying for storage space. If you found this video helpful, please like it and leave a comment below. Also, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon with my next interesting video. Bye for now.